Hey, what's up, fellas? We're out here on Percy Priest Lake. It's pretty low. I think I got my graph set at 8 feet below winter pool.
No, summer pool.
Summer pool? I thought it was winter pool.
It's 8 foot below summer pool.
8 foot below summer pool.
Summer pool is 490.
Oh, that's right. John Hopkins said we're about 4 or 5 feet below winter pool.
Yeah.
Throw that in there or something. So anyway, I guess we haven't been out here in a long time, so we're just gonna kind of peck around a little bit. What's this low, man? Stay in the channels, guys. Go somewhere where we find some fish, maybe. May have to ride around a little bit. We know where there's a lot of fish. There's a lot of good fishing back here. Just kind of depends. Depends on what's happening. What do you want to do?
Go that way.
Oh, on that in between?
Yeah.
So we're going over here to where is
that? Before the bridge, that whole landmass on the right is the south.
It's over. It's
the south bank, so it's not going to be getting found by.
We're going over here. They call it Weekly Lane area. Is where we're going. So put her down. Hammer it down, I guess. As long as I'm catching something. There we go, there's some dots. Looking for dots on my little hummingbird. Anyway, I got tired of working. It's like every day you're working. It's all I do anymore is just work. And with at least this day and age, you can't even barely keep up with what you gotta pay. Well, while Chucky's up there running the trolling motor, I'm gonna fasten me up maybe a couple other things on some other rods. Figure out what I want to throw. So, went last night and got me some. I think
you're gonna run that, Jeff.
So, like I said, I'm gonna rig up something different on a couple of rods. So I thought I needed to do a little swim bait action. A little 1/4-ounce jig head. So yeah, 1/4-ounce jig head. And I don't know, I saw these last night. Thought they looked pretty cool. Jinko fishing booty shaker 3.25. I kind of think that we need to stay in that smaller range, and then I just got some Bass Pro Shop ones. So I don't know which one to try first. I think let's try this Cabela's one first. See what it does. So I don't know if this will work or not, but we're gonna try it. go with this. Alright, I got some different things tied on. Try this. I pulled out that green one just like this, but try this red color. Kind of that time of year, I guess. Have to get us down. Easy. Let out some water if you have to. There we go. Thank you, Jesus. So that's more of that gray color. All right.
That's what I was telling you yesterday about the...
Yeah, I pulled out that green color.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah, it's like full of eggs.
Look at that.
She's been eating. And then it's got some marks on the side, too.
Barely 15 inches.
Yeah, she's healthy.
She's healthy. Go check her out. First bass of 2023.
I think I got one.
Pretty. She's
Got
full of
something.
egg.
I got a stick fish.
So I'm gonna get her back in real quick.
Nice. Take a picture with your camera.
All right.
Your phone.
Well, I can't. I'm shooting audio.
Here, let me take. We're going somewhere else.
Mom texted from
Huh?
by the time you get it down. Just don't let it float to the other side. Scott's probably like, well, dang it, man. He probably went fishing today.
No, I think it was cold up there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you're out in that wind, it's kind of chilly. You know, of course, it's only 11:45.